Hey guys, this is Blaine from Bar Shield. I'm here to talk to you today about Bar Shield wipes. So Bar Shield wipes are something new we came out with in the last few months. What we have is basically a heavy duty wipe that can go anywhere in the gym. You can clean med balls, any surface with dirt, grime, whatever. So today I'm actually here to show you a quick little hack I threw together. I have a typical kind of mop handle sweeper. And I went ahead and put a wipe on here so you can see the dimensions fit here perfectly. I got the rough side facing out so I can go ahead and scrub some dirt today. So what I do is I run the floor cleaner on the main floor, and then in these kind of tight corners, we're looking a little spooky back here for Halloween. So I go ahead and hit with the shop vac, suck all that stuff out of there. Then I'll go ahead and get that really grimy dirt. So as you can see here, good amount of dirt on there, no shredding. So this is a super durable wipe that can take care of those tight corners in your gym. So check us out on Instagram, BarShieldUSA on Instagram, and then info@barshieldUSA.com is our email if you have any questions or concerns. Thanks.